And we are back, and this time I'm going to show you a quick way to create these Spirograph effects in Adobe Illustrator. We're going to use an ellipse for this one. If you want to use the same color, it's this one for the stroke. So we've got no fill, only the stroke is activated. And I'll shift when I create this ellipse, align it to the center, get down a little bit with the stroke. I guess 3 points is fine. Make sure it's selected and go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and Transform. We'll activate the preview. I will add some copies. Keep in mind that the original is always added, so when I use 49 copies we've got 15 total. So then I use 360 divided by 50 for the angle, and I increase the move horizontal with the arrow keys. And that's how quickly you can create these effects. You can move it vertically as well, and you can play around with the center position, and it always creates different effects. You can reflect it on the X and the Y scale. Try that out, and obviously you can use the scaling to create different effects. Just like that. So I want to keep it as a circle, so 100% for horizontal and vertical scale, and I'm fine with the movement here. So it's still only one shape and then transformed. Make sure it's selected, go to Object and expand it, and now you've got all of these shapes as a group. You go to Object, Ungroup, and so you can't ungroup it further, and now you can select all of these circles individually. Just like that. And this is how you can create these quick Spirograph effects in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.